Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add a picture to Facebook wall, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a picture to a Facebook wall, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to add a picture to your Facebook wall. And at the top left corner of the screen, guys, you can see your profile picture in a small circle just beside where it says what's on your mind. Tap on that circle with your profile picture, and then you will be on your profile section over here, and you can see, guys, one is your profile picture and at the back it's your wall, and there is a camera icon at the right side of each. Now in order to add a picture to your wall, simply tap on that camera icon and three options will appear where you will be able to view your profile cover on wall, or upload a photo, or select a photo on Facebook. Either you can upload it or you can also shoot it from the camera if you want to by tapping on the top right corner of the screen, or you can just select a photo from your Facebook, and that way this photo will be added to your Facebook wall. And there, guys, this is how you add a photo to Facebook wall. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.